Hello guys, welcome back again. So today guys, I'm going to show you the other items I purchased. This is actually a mix of everything, like last week and this week. So yes, so first is this is from B&M guys, 79 pence. So I just grabbed it. I still have a Christmas gift wrap from Tiki Maxx. Last time it sell £1 for three, what do you call this one, 3 like this roll. So yeah, I'm going to use it, but maybe I need it. Actually it's 150, but I purchased it 79. I think I need to buy more, you know, at least they are doing some sale. Here we have New Look. This is just 2 items from New Look. So from New Look, actually this is sale. The size of this is size 12, which is I'm size 10, but I just purchased it. It's because it's okay. So yeah, £7. That's why also £7, and I don't think so. Maybe a little bigger here. I'm not so sure, but when I try it, I feel okay. So I grab it. I don't know. I hope I didn't make mistake because I am size 10 and this is size 12. Yeah, it's like that. A little cropped up when you wear it, but it's like here, like that. Looks nice. That's why I purchased it. They have actually many sale in New Look, guys. Also, try it. And then another sale is just socks. I don't know why I bought it. Just because it sucks. I mean, just because it's sale. Just 1 pair. Next, I will mix it. It's from Primark. So this trouser, I'm not so sure if this trouser is nice. I didn't try it because I don't know. It's so busy when I went there in Primark. It's like Saturday. So this one is wide leg, high rise, crop length, and it's £18. I purchased it £10. Maybe nice. I have anyway another trouser, white trouser that I purchased in Zara, so I will check which one I keep. Maybe this or maybe in Zara, depends really, because I'm looking now for white trouser because I have white trouser here, but some of them is like when after you wash it, it's very wrinkled, so I need to iron it. So I don't know if this one, because before I have trouser that you don't need to iron that much, so I preferred things that I don't need to iron. Okay, here is, oh, okay, there's more from Primark. This is so mixed. Oh, okay, this one. This is from Primark. They have many sale. Cooler bag. This is £4 and I bought it £2. And they have like summer glass, towels like that, and summer clothes. They have sale. So this is from the last week, and I have here something that from Primark, which is summer clothes. So this is £2 now. So let me show you the other one. Okay, and then I grabbed some towel. This is 100% cotton, 180 only. That's why I always buy it, because it's really good. Sometimes I use it to clean. And oh, I bought some socks for my son, which is $2.50. I like this. It's because most of his socks is gray, so it's easier to mix and match or match. That one $2.80, and this is now I grabbed for my son short. Oh my god, I think my son have this one already. Oh my god, I remember now. This is 6 to 7 and it's £3. Oh my god, guys, I feel like I have this. I need to check it because just now I recall. I will just give it to someone. Yeah. This is cute, but yeah, I just remember I have like this. Actually 2 different age, but Super Mario. Because they always make it sell. Right now I remember. And then I grabbed this. This is £6 from £12. And summer cover up. Yeah, because I don't want to buy this one if it's like full price. It's because I still have many here. So it's just £6. So I said, okay, just grab it. Yeah, look nice. They have many actually. I wanted to buy more, but maybe next time. There are still. And next is, this is small. This is again sale. So this is £13 and I purchased it £7, which is amazing. Look, I hope it's not so much see-through. What do you think? It's so much see-through or not? £6, £7. Okay, yeah, this good one. And then this is again sale, because to be honest guys, if it's not sale, I will just buy in Zara, because Zara, they have many nice sale, also cheap item like that. So this is £4 from £8. So just for exercise like that. I will buy the pair of this for the top, the sports bra, because they have like this color, green, gray, like that. And okay, this is Sticky Max now. Let me show you the lamp. This lamp is £4 only, guys. Actually, this is £20, and now it's £4. That's why I just grabbed it. Maybe for my son or for the living room, just to another extra, because I realized that it's better if you have some small lamp than to use the main one. So yeah, and it's very cheap. They have many clearance in TK Maxx. Oh, okay, so like this. That's why I just grab it also. Okay, this one, and another one is this from, this is £24 large. So this is Crew Clothing Company. So yeah, it looks nice. So it's not see-through, yeah, it's not so much, yeah. So yeah, I hope John will like it. I'll give it to him, because he have few clothes. He doesn't like so much clothes. Okay, and now is this one in, I have here Primark still actually. And the next is this water bottle, because when I purchased this, my son is with me and he likes Primark water bottle, because it's like when you open it like that, that's what he likes, because you don't need to put your finger here, because you know some water bottle doesn't have like this, and you just open it with your finger. So this one, he likes it because you just do like that. You can get what I mean, like that. My son liked that. And this is from Primark. Oh, okay, this one still. This is from Primark, and I don't know why I bought it. It's $1.50. Let's see. Because I'm thinking for my son, every time I give him like spoon and fork, it's like it's a bit bigger, maybe. Okay, this is like really for kids size. Okay, but it's alright. $1.50, guys. I hope my son, what do you think? I don't know if my son can. I think it's okay. I think he can use it. Just at least you can cover, you know. Okay, the cover. Okay, the cover is good. Anyway, it's like secured. Yeah. And then what else? Okay, B&M now. Yeah. So in B&M, this is sale. So I still have this, but I still garden fork. So £1, but I think this is 79 I bought. And then this hanging dehumidifier is $1.50. I don't know if I need it, but just buy it. Maybe I'm thinking to put it in the wardrobe, which it says, yeah, just to, you know, just to make sure. And I have this. My son likes these noodles. And then this, what is this? All-purpose release plant food. So I bought it because I want to try it. I never try it, so I just want to try how is it, if it's really helpful. I love plants, but I'm not knowledgeable with plants. And then, oh, this is from Home Bargains. So yeah, this is from Home Bargains, and this is from B&M. 150 for kids, but it's sell. I didn't pay 125 for it. And then Poundland, this one is 150, but I think a £1 I bought it because they have sale now in Poundland because they are closing down, guys. That's why they are having this £1. And then, oh, I have more there. I forgot now. Where's the other one of this? This is Halloween decor. £1. Yeah. Oh, I have actually more. I remember now. And then this one, zombie if you dare, something like that. £1 also. Oh, I bought it £1 and it's still £1. So it's not sale. And all my receipts here. And then this is actually in where I bought it. Ah, it's in Sainsbury's. Yeah, £3 for this in Sainsbury's. This would be for September, I guess. Wait. Yeah, planting September to December. So I think I'll plant it December. It's just a mixed one, yeah. So I will try, hopefully it will be good. And then this is from B&M, £4. Actually in Poundland, the smaller one is £5, and in Primark. And I'm amazed that in B&M they have now, because I like this one which is metal. I don't like the plastic one. And yeah, I'm just £4 and I like the color. They still have more. So yeah, this is actually pretty secured water. Even you do like that, it will never spill. So that's why I like it. And Stay Strong, £6. I purchased it £2, which is amazing. So I can give it as a gift for someone. And there's also coffee. I don't think so the coffee have expiration. Okay, yeah, there's no expiration for the coffee, which is good. Yeah, so cute. Stay Strong. And then this is in Poundland, Best Dad Ever. This is sell £2, but I think I purchased it £1. Yeah. And this one, where I purchased it? Wait. I think I purchased it, okay, in B&M. Yeah, I purchased it in B&M because I have here apple, plant, mango, avocado. So I need to put it inside for winter. So I'm slowly buying. So tomorrow I'm going to B&M because I'm hoping they have more sale in another branch for like garden stuff, lights, like that. So yeah, that's the end, guys. I think that's it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for all your support. Bye.